Namaste. As we gear up to celebrate India's 76th Republic Day, let's pause for a moment and reflect on what this day truly stands for. Yes, it's about the grand parades and the awe-inspiring military contingents marching in New Delhi, but it's also so much more. It's about the moral responsibilities and commitments that each of us as citizens of Bharat are bound to uphold. This year's Republic Day parade will showcase the strength and diversity and resilience of our nation, with contingents from the Indian Army reflecting the valor and sacrifice of our forces. You'll also see cutting-edge military equipment demonstrating India's progress and its self-resilience under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. But beyond the parades and displays of military might, Republic Day is a reminder of the commitments we've made as outlined in our Constitution. It's not just a legal document. It's the living blueprint of our nation's values, guiding us towards a unified, progressive future. One of the first duties we must always uphold is to respect the national flag and national anthem. These are not mere rituals. They are symbols of sacrifices that countless individuals made for our freedom and unity. We also have the responsibility to obey the laws of our land, maintaining peace and harmony in society. But it doesn't stop here. We must protect the unity and integrity of Bharat, safeguard public property, and contribute to the nation's growth by paying our taxes honestly and promptly. Equally important is our duty to preserve our cultural heritage and protect the environment, ensuring that the future generations inherit the beauty and history that make Bharat so unique. And let's not forget the fundamental spirit of brotherhood that binds us all together, irrespective of our caste, creed, or religion. Upholding the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity that we fought for during our independence struggle is our shared responsibility. This Republic Day, let's also renew our commitment to the duties that come with it. Each of us has a role in the progress and prosperity of Bharat. Let's take pride in our responsibilities and act with integrity. Don't miss the spectacular tableaux that showcase India's diverse cultures, achievements and aspirations live from Delhi's Kartavya Path on 26 January. From the farthest corners of the country, we unite under one flag, one nation. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. So this Republic Day, let's remember, it's not just about the festivities. It's about living the values enshrined in our Constitution. Happy Republic Day to all of you. Jai Hind.